Here we need to find the industry supply curve again. So it's basically MC, and so we need the total cost again. So the total cost is just the sum of costs from factor 1 and the cost from factor 2. So factor 1 price is 2, factor 1 number is x1, plus factor 2 price is 4, factor 2 number is x2. So then since we want cost as a function of the number of goods that we produce, we don't want it in terms of the number of inputs. So we need to write these two in terms of y. So of course you need to use this production function. So whenever you see a production function that's minimum of two things, then the thing that you do automatically is you set the thing inside equal to each other. So we have this relationship is the first one. The second relationship is just y is equal to whatever this is. And since these two are equal, then the minimum of these two would be any one of them. So suppose it's equal to y1. Because they are equal, we can use any one of them. So it's this. And then these two, we could solve for x1 and y1 in terms of, x1 and x2 in terms of y. So x1 is just reversing this thing, so it's squaring on both sides, so you get y squared. X2 is equal to x1 divided by 4, so it's y squared divided by 4. So we have both of them, and we substitute back here. Now we have cy, so the total cost is 2 times x1, which is this thing, plus x2, which is this thing. And then we have 3y squared. And the next step is the same as before. Differentiate c with respect to y, which is this thing derivative is 2 times 3 is 6y. And from before, we have that relationship. This small y is large Y divided by the number of firms. So at the beginning, we have number of firms is equal to the ratio. So this is the same formula, basically. And the number of firms here is 100 firms. So we have this is 6 times y over 100. And this thing is just because they are equal, so I just substitute in. So then at the end, MC is equal to P. So we have the relation P is equal to 6 industry supply divided by 100. So we solve for the industry supply and move this to the other side. So it's 100 divided by 6P. And if we look back, this is 100P divided by both A and B are, so whichever you pick.